Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm gonna do a makeup decided by you guys. I posted on Instagram a few days ago on Insta stories some options for you guys to choose different textures, different products, and basically different styles. So I had a quick look. I saved the screenshots because the stories are not available anymore, and yeah, let's get it started. The first question was about foundation, and the majority of you guys decided to go with glowy foundation. Please see the results here. Hopefully I'll get some focus. If not, I'll do my best. You should believe me. So yeah, glowy foundation it is. I already prepped my skin with my regular skincare products, but first things first, I would like to add a primer because I asked you about the texture, about the skin finish, and you voted for glowy. So I'm gonna apply illuminating primer. I'm gonna apply MAC Stroke Cream. I really like this primer. I talked to you about it a lot, guys. It's an illuminating primer. Also have a mirror down here. And I'm gonna apply it all over my face. Cool! You decided to go with the glowy foundation, so here I am using True Match from L'Oreal in the shade Vanilla. I think it's the shade 2.N, and I will apply it on my beauty sponge from Fenty Beauty. I'm not gonna apply too much because you said that you would like a more natural makeup look, and I will apply it on my face. This is my day-to-day foundation and I really like it. It has a medium coverage. I know I talked about this foundation a lot on Instagram, on YouTube, and I feel like this is the best drugstore foundation out there, especially for my dry skin. It looks amazing. It works perfectly. By the way, guys, maybe if you can let me know, because right now I'm filming using natural light. I'm filming in front of my window, and if you'd like me to film in the natural light, I will do it more often. If not, I always have my ring light to use it. For concealers, I'm gonna use two products today. I'm gonna use Born This Way Multi-Use Sculpting Concealer from Too Faced, and Instant Anti-Age Eraser Multi Concealer from Maybelline. This one is very moisturizing. This one, it has a higher coverage. The reason that I'm using this concealer today is because I have some wonderful pimples on my forehead and I want to cover those. So I'm gonna apply a bit of concealer on my forehead. I have a lot of pimples, to be honest, and I will try to blend this concealer out. I have another one here on my chin as well, and then I will apply the other one, which is very moisturizing, and I will blend everything out. Usually I don't use that much of concealer, but now I need it. But I'll make sure I'll blend everything out, and then I will set up everything with my powder, my Laura Mercier Translucent Loose Setting Powder. Cool. The next step is, hold on a sec, guys. The next step is to do the makeup for my eyes, and I asked you how would you like me to do it, guys, and apparently the majority of the people decided to go with nude shades. Come on, guys. I put in there eyeliner, I put in there smoky, a pop of color, but you want nude shades. Okay, I'm gonna do this. You know that I'm not a big fan of nude makeup, especially that I'm passionate about colors, but I'm gonna do this today, and I will put some nude shades on my eyes. I'm gonna use this palette from Too Faced. It's the chocolate bar. I used it a lot, to be honest, especially this shade right here. This shade is really, really beautiful, so I'm gonna use it today again to create this makeup, nude makeup look. I'm gonna go with milk chocolate first, and I'm gonna apply it in my crease. Then I'll go with salted caramel and I'll blend everything out. I'll create that lifting effect on the other corner. With my finger, I'm gonna apply Marzipan. It's a shimmery shade. And I'm gonna apply it on my mobile lid for a bit of like shimmer and light. And then I'll go with a highlighter in my inner corner and under my brow bone area. For highlighter, I'm gonna use this wonderful palette from Too Faced. It's the Natural Face palette, and I simply love it. It has 2 bronzers, 2 blushes, and 2 highlighters. And this palette is amazing. So I'm gonna add a bit of highlighter in here. Theoretically, my eye makeup is almost done. We need to add 3 more things. I'm gonna add this wonderful eye pencil in the shade Coconut. Let me see. It's in the shade Coconut Matte. And I'm gonna apply it on my waterline. Cool, I'm gonna apply some mascara and I'll go with Large Lash Mascara from Fix-It Beauty. I want some focus, thank you, my dear camera. I'm gonna apply mascara on my lashes and I'm gonna apply some falsies because this makeup is too natural. And you know that I don't have long lashes, so bear with me. And I hope that's okay with you guys. I followed your decisions entirely, but I didn't ask you about lashes, so maybe I can basically have something to say about this. Okie dokie guys, I applied the false lashes and the next step is to do the makeup for my face. And you actually decided to go with contour, blush, and a tone of highlighter. Yes, this is what I'm talking about. Yeah, we're gonna do that. For the face contour, I'm gonna use this product right here. It's Bahama Mama from the Balm. You know that I love this product, and I feel like I used it a lot. I need to repurchase it, and hopefully I will find it somewhere because apparently I feel like they are not producing this product anymore, or it was out of stock everywhere basically. You'll see that it has such a beautiful finish. It is such a beautiful shade. And I'm gonna sculpt these cheeks just for you guys. Awesome! The next step is to apply the blush, so I'm gonna apply one of the blushes from this palette right here. I showed you the palette. I think I'm gonna go with Pink Sand, which is this one right here. Such a beautiful shade. And for highlighter, you voted a ton of highlighter, so I'm gonna use this wonderful palette from Huda Beauty. It's the 3D highlighter palette. And it looks amazing. So I'm gonna use these two shades from here. This gold shade is absolutely beautiful. And I hope you can see that, guys. I don't have a mirror. I need a mirror. I'm gonna use a mirror here and make sure you can see this, guys. This glow is absolutely gorgeous. Oh, I love it. But yeah, the highlighter is absolutely amazing. So thanks for going with that, guys. And the next step is lips, I think, and brows. We have two more steps. So for the brows, you said to go with lifted brows but natural. This is what I'm going to do. I'm gonna brush them up with fixing gel. And for lips, okay, the majority of you guys said natural glossy. Okay, I'm gonna do that, no problem. Okay, so for the brows, I'm gonna apply a soap brow and I'm gonna lift them up, as I said, and as you decided. I'm gonna leave them natural. I'm not gonna put any like color in them. And they should look like this. They look pretty. And for the lips, you said natural glossy, so I'm gonna apply a lip gloss. Today I'm gonna apply the Gloss Bomb from Fenty Beauty in the shade Fuzzy. This is a very, very nice gloss. And I feel like this shade is right for me. You don't need to apply that much. Well, you can have some beautiful, beautiful lips. And this is my look. Guys, thank you so much for helping me choosing the texture, the finish, and the overall look. I hope you really enjoyed this video, guys. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and let me know in the comments down below what other videos would you like to see on my channel. Spread the beauty, guys. Take care and see you soon. Bye!
Secrets and forbidden bliss can't stay still.